What's up? So I'm going to be Ryan's hooker for the evening.
That's a good one.
Going to be working this corner all night.
How not to be a hooker. Show us a couple of your hooks. That's a big hooker. We are climbing Leaning Tower, the Roulette, which is an A4 right off the deck. And it's not that he'll hit like the little ass ledge I'm on. It's in fact, you'll hit that tree on the way down. So, wish you luck. Break a leg.
Break a leg, dude.
Or both. And we'll show you hooking on big walling in this episode. That'll be the focus. Another episode brought to you by ending this one in the dark.
Hey, I'm Ryan Sheridan. Welcome to Yosemite. I am the Valley Hooker, and we're going to go up this wall behind me. It's roulette. It's A4 off the deck. Hopefully we don't blow it. There's some like fixed heads and stuff up there. The sad thing about those is they're like old and you didn't place them yourself, so you don't know how good the wires are, how well they're stuck to the rock. But we're just going to go sit on them and hopefully don't break our legs on this ledge that we're standing on here.
So besides the sketchy heads, what's after that?
It's like a mile of hooking. I don't know. It can't be that bad.
Use the metric.
There's mixed reviews.
Use the metric system, bro. It's a
kilometers,
dude.
No. There should be a substantial amount of hooking though, and I'll see if like I get up there and I'm not looking at depth potential, if we can film a little bit. Maybe even if we are looking at that potential, like I'll do it for the
That's
views.
what this is for.
Yeah.
So he doesn't even have his phone. I'm going to send him up his phone through the paracord tagline he's got. We'll kind of
because
film.
if I break my legs, I don't want to also break my phone because, like, what am I going to be looking at in the hospital bed?
I'm attached because we're looking at, like, that's our start.
Yeah.
And so I'm over here tied to this tree with our time lapse. And most everything's clipped in if it needs to be. Everything over here is clipped in. I'm going to make sure he stays organized as the belayer. Make sure things aren't getting knocked off. And that's your first piece. So,
I guess so.
If you screw that up... So what are you doing?
So I'm like bounce testing it because I'm about to venture into some like bad gear. So I want to know where the last really good piece is so I can like take my time on it. All right, I'm going to do some C1 here.
Just to warm up for the A4?
Yeah, I'm going to take this extra ladder too. For when I'm on my hooks, I like to have two. It's easier to walk up the ladder without shifting the hook much.
Your head's so close to that rock right now.
Is it? Did we start the GoPro yet?
So let me turn you on.
Turn me on, dude. You already did. What's up, Valaire?
Don't make this weirder than it has to be.
No, I don't like it.
So what's harder than climbing A4, Ryan?
C1, apparently.
Climbing in the fucking cold.
Fucking freezing, dude. Alright, so this 000, I don't know how I feel about it. I think like black alien might be cool. Maybe even black blue. Black blue.
Yeah. So by him having this tagline here, he can pull up whatever he needs so he doesn't have like an insanely large rack. Since this is about 100-foot pitch.
This is right where I am in decked. Ow!
Is it really?
Yeah. Fuck me, dude. Here we go. Going up this corner. Gonna fucking bang your ass out.
Jeez. God, that makes my butt pucker.
Fuck you, motherfucker.
All right. I'll give you a rope. Oh my God, dude.
So this is gonna make rope drag for sure, but you can reach these.
I can reach it. I can fix it. Yeah.
So you're gonna handle that for me.
I can handle it. Blue alien? I can't see from here.
Nah, I think maybe black totem.
So you're basically just moving some rope ladders up.
I'm just climbing a ladder. It's really nothing.
Yeah, I don't see what you're worried about.
I'm just a simple man. Simple needs. Holy shit.
I am actively blaming Ryan in case you were worried about that. So, to aid climb, you put in pieces. You bounce test them, and then you climb a ladder. You do it over and over and over. Today we're just fixing pitch 1. This is part of a larger project. Yeah, we're just doing an active belay on this route, this pitch of the route because it's Nar. The rest of them we're probably going to solo as we have time to go up this route to fix this route for our other project. Oh God. Ooh. Ew. I like totems. This big wall video is going to focus on hooking because there's a lot of hooking on this particular pitch. And he's got quite a variety of hooks to use. Hopefully we can capture that. The sun is going to go down here in about an hour or two. But yeah, it's like 30 feet of hooks and you can't screw it up. So yeah, this is something we've been psyching up for a while. Thought we'd make a video about it. How you feeling?
Not even worried about it, dude.
Not even worried. All right.
Not even a little bit worried, dude. Kind of like chill in here.
That's a good piece though, dude. Does it make you feel better if I say that's the best piece you're gonna have?
Yep. Definitely.
Cool.
Sick.
Yeah, man. It's pretty sick, bro.
Pretty fucked up.
Big wall tip. If you can stand up even 1 inch higher for every move you do, and you're gonna do, I don't know, 1,000 moves up, at least like El Capitan, like 1,000 inches, whatever that math is. It saves a lot of time if you can just really push the limits on how high you can stand up. We'll cover that in another video on how to top step and everything, but that's a very important mindset.
You might be my best piece all day. Interesting. What the fuck is this? Doesn't want to fit. Oh shit. I thought you would fit. I guess not. Okay.
You want to look down at me and tell me what's going on?
Yeah. So right now we're about to cruise into the hooking section. We got a few shitty pieces left. Really, really bad pieces. Barely worth going over to clip, really. Like, but I'm gonna put in a cam here. I've got a beacon, which is pretty good. The head I'm on, I'm not super sure about, but I think I'm gonna start hooking to the right now, and I think those pieces up left are off route.
I think so too.
So I might still clip one of them.
You can see the rivet.
I see the rivet, yeah. And there's like no good hookable features. So I'm gonna have to start hooking now. Yep, so I'm about to quest, dude. You're gonna have to watch me real good.
Yeah, I got
I'm gonna try to put in a couple pieces here just to like maybe hold a fall. Yeah,
because the head you're on isn't good.
The head I'm on, I don't really trust it.
Cool. Good luck.
Thank you, sir. Okay. No. Come on back out, buddy. Don't get stuck in there. No. 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 Better. Better. No. 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 And right here is a good fucking spot. Okay, Mr. Edge. Ah, dude, fuck it. I got this. Where's the biggest motherfucker? Woo! Look at that guy. Okay, I mean, I got two big ass motherfuckers. What do we want to use? We're gonna try out a couple. First hook move. Find the divot. There's a good divot. Where does it settle? It likes that. It likes it. It fucking likes it, dude. We're gonna climb the hook, climb the hook, climb the hook, climb the hook. Find another edge, gonna unclip the daisy. Holy shit, this is all super fucked up. I don't know. Don't want a deck, but the hooks are still good, so I got no choice but to climb up the hook.
Isn't it better to do less hooking than in top step than to do more hooking?
More hooking, less top stepping.
Okay.
You don't want to pull out on the hooks. If you can, if it's like not steep and you can like get up your ladders without fucking up too much, then it's good. But, oh, baby. That's where you want to be, huh? Yeah, that's right where you want to be, Hook. Okay, don't move, don't move, don't move. Ah! Okay, Hook. You are looking good still, and I like you. You're my friend. We're friends. We can be friends. We can be friends. We can be friends. Do, do, do. Come on, Hook. Come on, hook. Whoo! Now that I see you, I feel better. Give me one of these big bad boys. No, you're not as good, dog. I'm sorry. You're not as good. Fucking go home. You don't want to make the wrong choice. Because these choices have fucking consequences. I am committing to it. I'm on it. This is me now. This is my life. This is where I live. I live on these hooks. It's cool though, because they're my friends. All right, so classic, sun's going down. We've got two pretty good hooks right here. We're moving to the next hook. And then it's a little ways up to the bolt. We're gonna flip that around. So we're about to move into the don't fall zone. Like right now, Ryan could probably, if he was really paying attention and not watching movies down there, which I think he is, catch my fall. Yeah, once I move past this, I'm gonna deck if I fall, which would really suck. We're like 35 feet up. And we have to go up here and there's a bolt right there, not too far away. This whole next section is do not fall zone because we'll probably hit the ground right there. Kind of scary. I'll let you know if we live. Okay, feel this thing out. Where is the good groove? Where do you want to go? Right there? That seems pretty good to me. This is so not chill, dog. I don't even know how to fucking describe this other than fucking fucked.
Okay, he just got to the rivet. God, I was gripped. All his pieces are above me. He would have swung and just smacked me. I was like calculating how much rope can I pull in. Do I jump up to soften the blow, or do I jump down so it lowers like how far down he's gonna go? But he's on the rivet. Oh, all right. Now it's time for the headlamps. Oh, our favorite hooker.
What is going on? I'm just stuck out here.
Yeah, I'm just gonna leave you there tonight.
This is where I'm gonna die.
Yeah.
Save yourself. It's too late for me. This is the A4 section right here.
Oh my god, that's brutal. Dude, you made some of the funniest noises I've ever heard a hooker make. Yeah, cleared.
Get me out of here.
Cleared.
Wait, I want to come back to the wall. I just want to be on the ground.
Careful, make sure it's solid. Make sure it's on there.
Stand.
Got a couple loose things there. Yeah! Fucking hooker! The hooker of the evening!
Only took one whip.
It's half the pitch.
Oh. Yeah, I did that to myself though.
You weren't ready.
That was entirely my own fault.
You weren't ready to clip into the next piece?
I started free climbing when I shouldn't have. And then I didn't have a ladder. So I had a hook in my hand. I free climbed up, got the hook on a ledge. Was like sick. And then I was like holding on with like one really bad foot with the blown out toes, you know? And it was like an overhanging wall. And I was like trying to get my ladder, which is way below me, and like pull it up with one hand.
Yeah.
You know? And then like get the carabiner in there. And I was like, couldn't hold on. So I put my finger through the hook, was like holding onto the hook, trying to like get the ladder. Couldn't do it. And then I just like took the whip.
Yeah, you're like, take. I only took in like a foot before like.
I'm like, I'm fucked, dude.
So I didn't know how much it would suck me into my first pieces here.
Yeah.
And it didn't. It was super soft because we had enough stretchy stuff between us.
Oh man, then there's like a lot of sections of hooking, dude. It was like really bad bolt to like hooks to really bad bolt to hooks to really bad bolt the whole way up.
So what ended up catching you?
Z-Mac.
Good job, dude. You didn't fall in the part that
was the only pitch I was worried about. I think we have this wall in the bag now. Cat in the bag.
Yeah, we love bagging cats.
We love bagging cats.
Yeah,
dude.
We're not quite sure why.
The bigger the cat, the better. Got to bring a right size bag, I guess. So we got our own drop tower here, and we are going to see if the Pancake Potential pitch actually has pancake potential. If you blew it here, this is, I guess, as run out as you could be before clipping the next rivet, which is right here, and then you're psyched. But the issue with this is you can see how there's kind of a fracture right here. When you weight this flake, you want to make sure the whole feature doesn't pull off. So you kind of look at the size of the crack right here, and as you weight it, you want to see if there's any change or propagation. Because if this did blow, you'd be taking the full pancake whip, and I'm not quite sure if you'd hit the ground. Here is the last piece down there that we were looking at earlier. I tied it in short, so there's not going to be much rope stretch. This is going to represent a very attentive belay if your belayer just like super had you and almost even had warning that you were going to come off. But with these kind of things, it's sudden, so you wouldn't be able to take in too much rope. So I think this is pretty fair. If you don't hit the deck, I would say, yeah, maybe it's not A4. We'll find out. Let's see what happens if you sneezed at the wrong time. Chew. What? Oof. I think you might be okay. Oh, I don't know. All right, so actual pancake potential still unconfirmed.
You know what's great about editing these videos is I can leave a comment literally in the video. With stretchy rope going from a belayer up to those pieces and then to the climber, actually think you'd hit the ground. Even if you're belaying super tight. The stretch in the rope and being that there's more than twice as much rope in there plus more weight than the bag you had, it might be very pancakey. Maybe at least an ankle breaker. Put in the comments below what you think it would be. But since we're on the topic of hookers, let's talk about some of the brake tests we've done in the past. In our hook brake test video that we've put out a while ago, we tested a grapple hook, and that actually straightened out around 2.7 kilonewtons. And then we tested a talon several times actually, and this one broke the rock at 3.3 kilonewtons. So the MBS of granite apparently is 3.3 kilonewtons. And then we stuck a cam hook in a crack, and the cam hook deformed and came out at 4.5 kilonewtons. And then we tested a beak, and it was connected to the cable, and the cable broke at 7.6 kilonewtons. Now we tested some other hooks that never made it into an episode that Dylan Fadgen sent, and we just put on the tip, and being that the hole was bigger near the top, it basically came apart at 2.5 kilonewtons, and then when we actually put it on the little adapter we did for the brake test machine, we got 4.75 and then 5.25 kilonewtons. Now I've considered doing this, and I've heard people doing duct tape on hooks for some protection, and it depends what the hook is, where it's placed. I found that the rock, at least what we were testing, was pretty bad, and the rock failed in more than half of our tests. You can check out that episode. But the metal starts to straighten out at a certain point, and it's kind of lower than what you could get in a whipper. Maybe if you put a screamer on, it wouldn't be so bad. We will be testing screamers and how much they absorb falls with the drop tower and in real life. So tell me if you like this video. Tell me what you want to see. Thanks for watching to the end. Subscribe. Cheers.